here's the project. It's my old rack. I've been using it in the studio, but I want to put the silver Rhino Tolex on it. Ow. This is going to take a while. I think a guitar pick just fell out of this thing. Last day full. There we go. Alright, there it is. Needs a little bit of sand, and the wood's not that great, but I'm going to make it work. So I've done the bottom. I did a piece, and I've got my cut piece right here for tomorrow, but I need more glue. Okay, now I'm just going to do the two side parts. You can see I've got that flap done. The bottom is all done. It's not perfect. It's got some gaposis, but I figure when I put the other piece on and the corners, it's not going to matter. I decided to be a dumbass and not use the straight edge. Probably should have done the sides first. Instead, I was going to do the entire top and sides in one piece. But trying to glue all that, it's just too much. So, I'm going to do it this way. Okay, it's all taped up. That's one side done. I think I'm going to come in about an hour and do the other side. Well, I'm 2/3 of the way, no, 3/4 of the way done, or 2/3. I got the bottom and the two sides done. It's never going to be perfect, but that's fine. I need more glue though. That's how it's going to look with racks in it. Here's an example of a piece of rack equipment in the box. So we've got our final step here. And there we go. Like I said before, it ain't perfect. But it's good enough for me. I started this project on Monday. Today is Wednesday. Really? Like I said, it's not perfect. See them corners? When doing a job like this, you're going to have excess glue. You always want to remove the excess glue before it dries.